Hey everyone, it's Marcello here from the Toyota World YouTube channel, and I'm inside of Maple Toyota to try this again. And when I say try this again, I mean make a video for the viewers, for you guys, on the hybrid maintenance cost when comparing hybrid to non-hybrid for Toyota. Let me explain. First of all, I did a video some time ago, probably over a year ago. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And it was pertaining to the hybrid maintenance cost being insane, shocking, I should say. And that was because a lot of the wear and tear components on the hybrid vehicles for Toyota versus the non-hybrid have been proving to be a little bit less and less when comparing the two. Wear and tear on certain aspects of Toyota hybrid vehicles seems to be much better when compared to the non-hybrid. So that was that video. And then a little bit more recently, probably a couple of months ago, I shared another video about the hybrid maintenance cost versus the non-hybrid maintenance cost. Not wear and tear, maintenance cost. And what I really did there is I pretty much itemized and showed you guys the scheduled maintenance recommendation from Toyota Canada or from Toyota with regards to, for example, a RAV4 or a Highlander hybrid versus non-hybrid. And in that video, I went pretty much scheduled maintenance to scheduled maintenance, hybrid to non-hybrid, and you were able to see that the actual recommendations were pretty much identical with very small marginal difference in actual work being done on the hybrid versus the non-hybrid and vice versa. So the whole point to that video was to show viewers that you're not really necessarily spending more money on your maintenance cost recommendation wise from Toyota when you're comparing the hybrid versus the non-hybrid. And you know, history has proven that the wear and tear on the hybrid versus the non-hybrid is also much better, of course, depending on driving style and habits and so on. Now, unfortunately, in both of these videos, I didn't exactly give the viewers exact dollars and cents of how much you will actually be spending or how much you will actually be saving approximately on, let's say, for example, your scheduled maintenance on the hybrid versus the non-hybrid. So I apologize for that. I got a couple of comments in those videos, or in that video, I should say, my latest one, with regards to clickbait and all that stuff. Guys, just to make it very clear, YouTube is not my job. This is something I do for fun, to get myself out there and to actually help viewers and customers make well-informed decisions on what it is they want to do. So I am not interested in providing any kind of clickbait content at all, but I will definitely give you guys what the dollars and cents is in this video just in a second of the hybrid versus the non-hybrid, as you all wanted. As you know, the Toyota maintenance program generally consists of 3 services. Service number 1, 2, and 3. Now, here's what the maintenance cost will run you on a non-hybrid Toyota vehicle. For example, let's say a non-hybrid Toyota RAV4. Service number 1 will run you approximately $159.95 plus taxes. Service number 2 will run you approximately $169.95 plus taxes, and service number 3 will run you approximately $219.95 plus taxes. Now here's the thing, at the 48,000 kilometer and the 96,000 kilometer service intervals for the non-hybrid Toyotas, so that's service number 3, 48,000 kilometers and 96,000 kilometers, it will cost you per service on those 2 intervals approximately $469 $1.85 plus taxes due to the requirement of also replacing the transfer case fluid at those two intervals. But here's the thing. When you're driving a hybrid Toyota, for example, RAV4, there is no transfer case fluid to change. So you do save a portion of your cost on those two maintenances for the 48,000 kilometer maintenance and the 96,000 kilometer maintenance. How much do you save? Well, if you look at the maintenance schedule, service 1, 2, and 3 of, let's say, from brand new to approximately 100,000 kilometers, you're gonna be saving approximately $300, give or take, plus taxes on your scheduled maintenance. And that is because those two service intervals do not have any transfer case fluid to change. That's right, so on the non-hybrid Toyota RAV4, you're spending approximately $2,700 plus taxes, whereas on the hybrid RAV4, you are spending approximately $300 less. All right, so the anticipated decrease in wear and tear cost, plus the extra couple $100 you save over the life of, let's say, up to 100,000 kilometers on your scheduled maintenance for your Toyota hybrid vehicle, you may want to consider going the hybrid route as opposed to the alternative, the non-hybrid route, because you probably will have a much more enjoyable drive. You'll save a little bit of money on fuel. You'll save a little bit of money in the service department. It's a win-win all around. Now, I do have a little bit of a disclaimer down below in the description with regards to this pricing and this kind of review that I'm giving out to you guys with regards to cost. Of course, a lot of things can alter and change this. It depends exactly where you're servicing the vehicle, what province, what country you're in, but you can understand the idea of those two services having to do less work to them, to the vehicles, and having, of course, in turn, the cost being less just from those two services alone, plus your wear and tear. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.